Ito po ay nabumula sa mga manunulat. Napupunta po ito sa direktor. At kasama na rin po yung leader producers at sa mga artista. Ang tawag po dito ay royalties residual or point. Na kung saan, depende sa gross. Halimbawa tulad po ng Forrest Gump. Yung si Zemeckis, ang direktor, at si Tom Hanks, ang bilang artista, sila po ay ibinaba ang kanilang presyo ng kanilang siningil to 5 million each. 5 million US dollars. Nasa 20 million na sila yung sinisingil nila. Ang ginawa nila, they opted for points base doon sa revenue kikitain. Pili ko, ito, kikita itong pelikula to eh. Malakas ang tutog ko. So they went for points. End of the day, talip na yung $20 million lang ang kikitain nila, they made over $35 million because they went for percentage of gross. Sa Pilipinas, wala po tayong ganyan eh. Ang artista, minsan ang babayaran, kung kano makialam. Umuwi ka na, ako sa servisyo mo eh, sabi ng bahala. It was the late Senator Raul Roco who tried to bring forth a resolution in the Senate wherein they would allow Filipino artists or creative geniuses to be or partake also of the fight, which, sa lakas ng lobby, wala nangyari. Raul Roco na po yan. Ngayon, extending towards the second aspect of your question, since you have to take all this into consideration, yung delikado, may points na binabayan ulit, artista, direktor, manunulat, andun pa yung marketing yung sinasabi. All over, kahit saan ka magpunta sa Asia, ang DVD copy is sold for $10. Yung bago. Japan, $10. China, $10. Basta yun ang minimum. Mga Pilipinas, ipag-ipag ibenta ng 1,200 sa Pinoy. In Japan, if you decide to sell it for 1,500 pesos, it's up to the Japanese. But now, sa Amerikano, it has to be no less than $10. In China, sinubukan nila sa Beijing, Spider-Man 3. Sinubukan nila ng Warner Brothers to sell Spider-Man for $3. Ito yung tinatawag na bare bones. Walang trailer, walang director's interview, walang trailers. It was just pelikula lamang. But then, you have a market of 1.2 billion Chinese nationals or Chinese citizens. So, you can get sana may offset mo in terms of volume sales. That's the difference. I'm sorry, I can't agree with you. Not only in principle, but the actual practice that we should allow piracy if only to offset the economic burden brought about by the high prices of American or foreign products into our market. What is important for me is to find a win-win solution, to find a way wherein we can all run parallel with each other's needs. In this case, kung pupunta po kayo ng Astrovision, Astroclass, Video City, bumaba ng presyo eh. At 75 pesos is or 2 for 150. It's a step in the right direction. Di ko sinasabing yun ang ating solusyon. Kaya lang, kung titignan niyo po ang merkado ngayon, everybody now, which hindi na-anticipate kung patas, when it was crafted in 2001, eventually signed in 2003, na kasabayan technology o yung development ng teknolohiya ang CD burning. Ang CD burning. If you look at your product now in DVDs or movies, ang pangit na yung audio, video quality has really decreased. It's because wala na kasing may gusto mag-invent in a replicating line which is 20 to 25 million pesos at against a computer tower na nabibili mo for 200,000 pesos. So, what is necessary is all in the sana pagtulungan and hopefully we come up with a price that is comfortable for all.
Last question.